Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you ways to block someone on TikTok. In order to block users on TikTok, first thing first, update your application and then log into your TikTok account. So once you're logged into your TikTok account, it's going to direct you to the home page. So while you're on the home page, first of all, what you'll have to do is you need to locate the particular contact or the user that you wish to block. So in my case, let's say that this is the particular page. So all you have to do is just tap the profile icon from the left hand side bar. After that, it's going to take you to their profile page. While you're on the profile page, you need to tap the arrow icon from the top right hand side corner. And as soon as you tap the arrow icon, you'll be able to see your drop down menu. From the list, you'll need to go ahead and tap the block button. So in order to confirm the block button, tap the block, and here you go, that the contact or the user has been blocked. And similarly, if you're unable to find the contact or the user on the For You page, then you can also use the search bar tool feature. Tap the magnifying glass icon from the top right and type in their name. After that, you'll be able to see all of the users, so you'll need to select a particular user and do the same procedure as I showed it before. So in this way, you can block someone on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.